Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to talk about the use case where the month name and the day name of the week, as you see on my screen, are not sorted as I would like to. So I want to talk about a potential solution for that. So these are, when we pull these columns into the canvas, they are sorted alphabetically. So what we need to do is we need to drive the sorting based on other column. So what you can do is for the month name, you can go sort by column, and if you have a calendar month column, which is a numerical column, you could basically use that to sort it based on this numerical value. So the January would be sorted by 1, 2, and so on. So see, after we do that, make that change, it's working correctly. So similarly for day name of the week, we just need to find that column within our data model or the calendar table to do that. So here's our day name of the week. I can create a numerical column to do that. So let's call it weekday. And I will pass in the date. And there are different parameters that we could use. The default one starts on a Sunday and ends on a Saturday, so that's what we normally use. But you could choose the one that starts on a Monday, which is number 2, and number 3 starts on a Monday, but that gives a numerical value of 0, and ends on Sunday with a numerical value of 6. So for this case here, I'm just gonna make it simple and just use 1. So you can see for Thursday, I got a number of 5, for Saturday, number of 7, and Sunday starts with a 1. So I'm going to highlight this and click on sort by column, and I will sort this by weekday column here, which is a numerical column. Once I do that, it's automatically sorted from Sunday to Saturday. So for example, just for the fun of it, if I wanted it to be Monday to be the first day, first one to show up on the top, I could use 2, and if we go back, it'll be sorted from Monday to Sunday. All right. Hopefully that was helpful. If you want to learn more about creating a calendar table, I'll have a link at the end of this video. Please feel free to refer to that, where we'll be building calendar table from scratch. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.